Hi there, my name is Jack and this is my company, the Wild Fish Project, and we specialise in wild line caught fish from the Jurassic Coast. We do 50 different species and we're going to be here every Saturday in Horsham. Look forward to seeing you there. Cheers.
Hi, I'm David from Bangers Galore with our homemade award-winning sausages and our quality meats.
Hi, my name's Anya, I'm from Greenways Fruit Farm and we are locally grown produce from East Sussex.
Rhett, Colroy Farm Eggs. Hi, I'm Ricky, Quality Trading, biltong, SA goodies made in West Sussex. Just come down and check us.
Leslie, Cherry on the top.
Yeah, of course.
David, South Coast Macarons. I make macarons based in Goring and we trade in Horsham. And bestsellers are salt caramel, pistachio, raspberry vanilla and the ever popular licorice.
Jill, Greener Greens. We buy and supply local produce from local growers, organic or biodynamic.
Hi, my name's Graham. I'm from Gee Whiz Kitchen.
Hi, I'm Jason from the Copper Pound Fudge Company. We're based in Chichester, West Sussex, and we have over 40 varieties of fudge. And we also do new Copper Crunch, which is crunchy toffee, hazelnuts, pecans, and Belgian chocolate.
Morning, it's James with the Hungry Guest, and today working from their bakeries based in Petworth and bringing a range of artisan sourdough and yeasted breads, sweet treats, savouries, especially cheese straws, and here every Saturday.
Hi, my name is John Bartlett from Barty Sussex Fair, and we produce a range of locally produced chutneys, jams, mustards and marmalades, and also supply local honey and locally smoked garlic.
Hello, my name is Majum Curry Pack.
Hello, I'm Sarah from Just Brownies. I make chocolate brownies using British ingredients and Belgian chocolate.
Hi, I'm Alice. I'm from Pen Pal Bakery and we bake artisan bread in kind.
Laura, Tunbridge Wells Dog Biscuit Company.